Today we will travel over to 1540 South Main Street in Gold Hill, Nevada. At the corner of the south entrance of the Gold Hill Hotel and Crown Point Restaurant, we will notice our next marker resting there. So let's go ahead and take a look at 1866 Nevada State Seal Provision. The 1866 State Seal Provision reads in part, foreground, 2 mountains at their right base, a quartz mill on the left, a tunnel penetrating the silver leads with a miner running out a carload of ore, and a team with ore for the mill. Immediate foreground, emblems of agriculture as follows, a plow, sheaf, and sickle. Middle ground, a railroad train passing a gorge and a telegraph line along the rail line. Extreme background, a range of snow-clad mountains, and the sun rising in the east. The inner circle shall be engraved, all for our country, our state motto, and 36 stars. Within the outer circle, the words, the Great Seal of the State of Nevada. Julius Ebule Chapter, 1864, E Clampus Vitus, June 28, 1975.